Today we are having yet another lecture on Ecoscapes. Today we will be looking at non-biodegradable pollutants in detail. So, non-biodegradable pollutants. So, biodegradability of a pollutant is not something that is absolute to it or is something that is unique to it or common to all pollutants. It depends upon three important factors like temperature, humidity, and presence of microbes. So it means that most waste items have different levels of decomposition. So each pollutant or each item, particularly waste material, takes its own time to degrade or decompose. Waste items like paper, cardboard, boxes, vegetable peels have a lesser level of decomposition than like metal bottles, plastic equipments, etc. So in 4 to 5 months to decompose, while a plastic bag can take up to 400 years to decompose. So there is a difference in the rate of decomposition for each material, each waste material. So in current situation, plastic is considered as a huge threat to the environment. Why is it that so? It is mostly because of its high level of decomposition and high rate of consumption. So we consume plastic at a large scale and we throw plastic in soil very frequently because we are familiar with or we are used to use and throw culture, and plastic materials are very easy to purchase, they are cheap and they are easily disposable. By disposable I mean that we just casually throw it away. But when we throw it away as a means of disposal, when it reaches the soil, it takes ages to decompose. It takes millions of years to decompose. So thus it degrades the quality of the soil, which results in lack of fertility in soil. Thus it becomes a huge threat to the environment. Not only soil pollution is created, it also harms various ecosystems like water bodies, oceans, and burning of plastic creates harmful gases, and if it enters our lungs, it will create various kinds of diseases like asthma and even cancer. So plastic pollution has become a huge threat to mankind, not only the environment but largely to mankind. Plastics are largely non-degradable or non-biodegradable polymers which are considered persistent pollutants. The increasing dependence on single-use plastic has led to global plastic pollution on land and in the oceans. So by single use we mean we use a particular object or material made of plastic for just one use, like our polythene bags that we use to carry objects or products that we purchase from shopping markets or other shops. We casually throw these plastic or polythene bags. These are one example of single-use plastic. Plastic pollution is so ubiquitous that many scientists now consider it a geological indicator of the Anthropocene era. So the word ubiquitous means it is very common, easily available. So the ubiquitous nature of plastic has made it as a huge threat to the environment and scientists consider it as a